Yo, guys, what's going on? Welcome in. So, another huge update in the markets today. Does tomorrow have a TGIF pullback in store for us, or do we just shoot right up towards that 717 high? That everybody is paying attention to. So, with that said, let's get right into the charts. So, yesterday we inversed this daily fair value gap, right? And then we didn't even get a retest of it today. So there's your inverse. Here's your BPR, right? Your BPR is just where the inverse one lines up as well as here. So that takes us down to the 18,850 level. So I mean that's what 700 points down or so. So would be a pretty substantial pullback, but nothing absolutely crazy. I would look at this as the like daily swing and kind of see 50% lines up right around that area. I'm not calling for a pullback here, just showing you guys where 50% lines up to, because this market is in a hurry. When you see strong displacement up like this, the market is drawing somewhere. It is in a strong buy program, and this is where price is going to next. However, just one thing, like I just don't want to be longing up here, because why be longing all the way up here when we could potentially be getting some kind of retrace at any time. For me, I'm always about risk management, and taking trades in a discount instead of a premium. If it just stays in a higher time frame premium, I'll just sit here and watch it until we get a good pullback, at least on a 5 or 15 minute on a good trend day. So what I'm thinking, obviously, let's go to the weekly chart here. We're gonna have a huge expansion week, right? So that could give us some kind of TGIF setup. But does that TGIF setup give us this high first, that 717 high, and then we get a nice TGIF maybe down 20, 30%, then we close the weekend here? Or do we get some kind of just, we get close and then we just get some kind of pullback first next, and then next week, this is the objective. So, or even tomorrow, if we open bearish tonight, and we start moving down and breaking hourly fair value gaps, because this is our hourly range right now, guys. So you got this. Look here. So I mean, if we start inversing these, then I'm looking down for this. I'm looking down for this daily. As of right now, all these are, this is all very bullish structure. So if we break it down to the 4 hour, you see the exact condition we need to watch tonight. If we get some kind of pullback it back into this 4 hour fair value gap down to here, we can look for longs then, and then guess what? Boom, right up here. Let's look where 50% lines up. Boom, right at 50%. So 50%, maybe even down into a true discount at that 62, 618, whatever you want to call it, and then we look higher. If we end up inversing this, I'm looking for something like this. Let's get rid of this. Inverse the 4 hour, especially if we close below these two candles, and we get some 4 hour order blocks. But like I said, guys, when your 4 hour structure looks like this, and you have this nice curve that looks like this, boom, boom, you got yourself a healthy looking 4 hour. This 4 hour should hold to take us up to that 717. So another reason I like that area, but yeah, watch this 4 hour. Watch the 4 hour. If we inverse it somehow, we're gonna go down and take this daily, hit this daily fair value gap, and then push up higher. Or we can get the move above here, and then displacement down 50, maybe then into something like that. So we'll see what overnight gives us. That's the benefit of trading New York session. We always have 15, 16 hourly candles until we are looking to place a trade. So with that, let's go down to the hourly chart. And this is something that I'm also watching. So we obviously need to watch this for a let's see here. Let me check out the ES chart here. So ES is pretty close to that high as well. Let's go check out the ES daily chart quick to show you guys. So don't mind the mess. So this is the same high, right? So we need to watch ES. If we get an SMT here, we could get a decent sized pullback. Otherwise, NQ, if it if we get just displacement over here, and tomorrow we get another big bullish day and no TJF, no kind of pullback, and we inverse this, then obviously we know these highs right here, this high leading into this daily fair value gap, is also 4 hour equal highs. So if we go down to here, you see there's 4 hour equal highs sitting right here. So that is right into a daily fair value gap. So, and then the other thing to watch going into tomorrow, obviously, we're going to inverse this. We're going to inverse this weekly fair value gap. If we close above here tomorrow as well on the weekly, you're going to have a weekly order block off the lows. So also something to pay attention to. So real quick on the hourly, um, I also like these. The reason I pull out, I mentioned the potential SMT on the 717 high is because of, well, let's see if I can even uh, get going here. So obviously we have equal highs right here at 692. This high right here is an old SMT with ES. So this would be a target. This would be a target. Some reason we just don't take this high. We just wick here. We have an SMT. Could get a pullback. If we're going all the way up here, I would imagine we just sweep all of this, and then either we just be patient, wait for displacement above to confirm, and then maybe a move into discount, or we just get a straight wick up and then just displacement down. So we'll be watching that tomorrow as well. And really, I'll go to my range chart here. Obviously, nothing to really look at on the 1 minute chart here. So here we have the daily. We know we're well into a premium here. The hourly down here, your hourly 50% lines up with this stuff. This hourly down here. Best bet is even lower in our green zone down here in this discount. You know, and then so tomorrow, like I said, this would be inside that 4 hour fair value gap that I also pointed out. So move down here, we can look for a longs coming into tomorrow morning to then take us up to 717. And then obviously we see the hour the this is the hourly, and then the 15-minute chart over here takes look how we at 350 today we wick down right into a 15 minute discount, and then price obviously came back up here, and then we ran some like a little 1 minute highs here. It just shows always need to be paying attention to all of your higher time frame ranges on the charts. So with that, hope you guys have a fantastic evening. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.